Hi, so what I'm demoing here is the screen mirroring or display mirroring of the Samsung MU6290. So you'll notice my TV and my phone is mirrored, and it's very smooth. It's mirrored almost real time. And as far as I can tell, I can see no delay in the even while playing a movie. So let me go ahead and show you as you notice on the screen itself, the buttons now show up. If I go back out and I flip it around, you could see where I have the screen. So I don't have it. Actually, let me go back to my gallery so I could show you. And I'm going to go out here, back to the gallery itself. So I'm going to rotate it, and you'll notice it rotates very smoothly. And I'm going to go to my other photos. So this is good for, displaying, slideshows and all of that, but also just even mirroring movies from your smartphone to your television. So that is one of the display mirrorings, and let me show you how to set that up. So if I go into my settings here, I have an Android phone. You'll notice under the display, so let me go back out one. You'll notice this is my main settings menu in Android. And if I scroll all the way down or up, you'll notice I have display. If I go into display and I scroll down, you'll notice there's a cast. So this is display casting or display mirroring. And my screen here, my television will just show up. So this is using either Wi-Fi Direct or Miracast, which is what's supported on the Samsung MU6290. So I'm going to disconnect right now, and I'm simply going to disconnect and show you my other.
It's easy to think that all money managers are pretty much the same.
So I'm going to show you my other one. So this here is my tablet. And I'm going to show you the display mirroring within my tablet by going into the settings. And if I scroll and I do share and connect, you'll see I have a Miracast. So I'm going to choose Miracast here. And I'm going to turn it on. So when I turn it on here, you'll notice it detected my television. And sometimes the television will prompt you. The television is going to prompt you basically to let me mute this here. I'm going to mute my television here. So you notice my television shows up, and I'm going to click on that, and you'll notice at the top there it says connecting right there. And now my display is mirrored. So this is mirrored on my tablet, and as you can see when I rotate, sometimes initially it takes a while to connect, in full speed. So as you can see, my tablet here is using the Wi-Fi Direct and the Miracast, and you could see in the background it's just showing my mirrored screen here from my tablet. But you'll notice it's basically real time with my television here. And I'm going to bring up, a YouTube. Now YouTube has its own remote control, which is different from display mirroring, which is just controlling the YouTube app from your tablet or phone. And that's not display mirroring, that's just controlling the app on your television remotely using your tablet. So I am going to full screen this, and you'll notice it is basically, full speed here. And once again, if I scroll, you'll notice, the scrolling here. It's basically real time. But that's really what I want to show you as far as with this television here, that it is pretty awesome in that it's you know, it's you know, it supports the Miracast and the Wi-Fi Direct and the wireless display, at least for Androids. For Apple, Apple has its own proprietary thing, and you have to buy Apple Ear. So, but that's really it. That's really what I want to show, and I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.